Welcome everyone to the PPT How to Pass in Chemistry in CBSE Class 12 examination. Most important thing is to solve previous 10 years question paper. This will help you to analyze the pattern of the exam. Also, CBSE many times repeats the questions that it has previously asked in the papers. Moving on, chemistry has three sub-classification: physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, and organic chemistry. Now we will individually look onto these three. Firstly, physical chemistry. It is most important you learn the formulas and then solve many numerical problems based on them. Also, don't neglect the theory portion since many times questions are directly asked from theory. For getting passing marks, complete the chapter solid state and solutions first. These chapters are easier comparatively and they carry 5 marks each. Also remember to read the chapter Surface Chemistry. Second is Inorganic Chemistry. Prepare P block and D block from side help books. Preparing a P block chapter from NCERT itself will take 2 weeks, which you might not have. Therefore, it is beneficial to prepare them from side help books. Learn the structure of inorganic compounds from NCERT. Also, prepare them by solving previous 10 years question paper. You should also prepare nomenclature, hybridization, splitting of d orbital, and pairing energy of coordination compounds. Third is organic chemistry. Haloalkanes and haloarenes is the easiest chapter in organic chemistry. Remember some of the important and frequently asked organic reactions from previous year question paper. Also, practice the nomenclature of organic compounds. Lastly, learn the chapters like biomolecules, polymers, and chemistry in everyday life. These chapters are very easy and direct questions are asked from these chapters and they carry 10 marks altogether. That's all for your chemistry today. All the best.